Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn why you can create an Instagram broadcast channel. And the first thing you need to know is the conventional solutions like delete the cache or update the application is not a good solution. It's not a solution about this problem because Instagram still give that option of create a Instagram broadcast channel to all your your people in the application. So the thing is you want to know if you can create a broadcast channel is go to the application of Instagram, and you need to go to the meta channel in the profile of Mark Zuckerberg. You can go to this channel in the meta channel, and in the message of February 17 in 2023, you can pick here in this link, and you can see if you can create a broadcast channel. But if this link no is functional like in this time, that means you can create a broadcast channel. So that process is not available in Instagram yet. So you need to wait Instagram give it to you that option. So this is the process, this is the explication. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.